Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. The price line of Zilliqa is again rejected by the resistance of 5.2 cents, and now there is a possibility that it will test the previous support. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move of Zilliqa. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and this was the 4-hourly time frame chart that I was showing you even in my previous video as well, and this is really very strong resistance. We are just watching on the immediate short term, but it is also very strong resistance on the long term as well, and I'll show you why. Recently we rejected here, and after this small rejection we broke it out and again moved down, and we have several touch points here. By the way, here it worked as a support as well. The price line went very close to the support of 5.2 cents, did not touch, but reversed back and again moved down. And here we have several touch points, and after several test of this resistance, the price line is again rejected by this resistance of 5.2 cents. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame, a very long term weekly time frame, then here we can see that previously here back in November 2021, it has been working as a very nice support. We had a nice bounce by this support of 5.2 cents, and before that here back in July 2021, we had another bounce by this 5.2 cent support in here as well back in January 2021. And right now, after this breakout, we are again rejected by this resistance, because previously it was breaking as a support. Now it has turned into the resistance. Now the next support on the immediate short term is here at 4.6 cents. That is also the resistance of the previous ascending triangle that I was showing you in my previous videos as well. And the price line is going to test that support once again, and this was the support of the previous triangle, the ascending triangle. And here we have the resistance, and the price line is moving down to retest this resistance as a support once again. And after this breakout, when we had this rally, we have already tested this support, and it is also possible that we are going to form a double bottom here on this 4-hourly time frame chart above this support. Now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then on the daily time frame we are still moving in a falling wedge pattern. Recently we are rejected here on 10th of Feb, and we are still holding the support of this 25 daily simple moving average, and it is also possible that we may have a spike below 25 simple moving average, and the price line on the smaller time frame test this support of 4.6 cents, and it will start the reversal move from here, and it will not break down the daily 25 simple moving average. And this is the reason the daily 25 simple moving average that is holding the price line and not letting the price line to move more down to touch the support of this a falling wedge pattern after this recent rejection. For example, if the price line tests the support, that will be approximately here at 4 cents. And now if the price line breaks out the resistance, then you can see that we have the resistance exactly here, approximately at 5.4 cents. That is very close to this next powerful resistance that we have here on the 4-hourly time frame at 5.2 cents. So the price line can break out both resistance together, the horizontal price level resistance of 5.2 cents and the resistance of this falling wedge, once we will have a reversal move. But remember, there is also a 50 daily simple moving average exactly moving at the same level, where we have the support of the this resistance of the falling wedge. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.